Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The outer die is 100 mm, inner diameter 80 mm, length is 100 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select the right plane, select circle, create two circles, give the dimension 180 mm. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane. OK. Next, outer dia 60 mm, inner diameter 45 mm, length is 60 mm. Front plane, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 60 mm, 45, 100 mm. Select this and origin point, give vertical constraint. Finish sketch, extrude, mid plane 60 mm. Next, select front plane, sketch, select line, create sketch like this, friends. Give the dimensions, select this and this, tangent, this side also same constraint, select convert entities, this surface, select trim entities, finish sketch, extrude, here select mid plane, thickness is 15 mm. Okay. Next, there is ribs. Select line, give the tangent constraint, rib thickness is 15 mm, finish sketch, reverse direction, thickness is 15 mm. Select this rib, mirror about center plane. Control 7 for ISO view, assign material, which material you want you can assign here. Edit appearances, so you can check cross view also, cross section views like this. So that's the today's session, friends. Control S, save the parts wherever you want. So thanks for watching this session, friends. Once again I am requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support.